Hi, I'm Shane Robinson. We're here at the 2018 Garden and Home Show. I'm here with Skylight Specialists. So we're here representing Velux products, as well as their version of the Sun Tunnel. One of the biggest products, which we actually made the Hot 9 News Hot Products this year, is our solar-powered Skylight, which is over here on the floor. It's fully operational by touch remote. As you can see in the picture, it opens to about 10 inches wide, really great for venting out your rooms that get stuffy or you need circulation. Also comes with a solar-powered blind, all again operated from the same remote. There is absolutely no electricity or no wires that go to this particular unit. It is charged by the sun. The blinds that come in the Skylight are charged by the sun. So it is a fully green product that offers the everyday customer a 30% federal tax credit when purchased. Very efficient product to put into the home. Back here we have our sun tunnel display, and we have a couple different sizes to choose from. Brand new this year, Velux is offering a 30% federal tax credit on this product as well when their solar-powered LED light kit is included. Great way to bring light into your tight spaces in the house, your small bathrooms, your pantries, kitchen area, and things of that nature. We've done quite well with them down there, and people seem to be thrilled with the product in the display. We've been in business for 41 years. Rob Packard started this business a long time ago, and it has grown leaps and bounds ever since. We are the #1 skylight company in the state of Colorado, and currently the 5th largest skylight company nationwide. We have over 13,000 happy customers spread throughout the state of Colorado, and as far down south as Naples, Florida, and as far north as Freeport, Maine. So we've definitely made quite a name for ourselves. I'm really proud of the company I work for. I think we offer the customer extraordinary customer service, and we are second to none when it comes to the quality of work that our installers do. We stand behind our product, and our reputation speaks for itself. We're Skylight Specialists. We're located down in Littleton at 10658 West Centennial Road, Suite 300. If you have any needs for skylights, custom glazing systems, or sun tunnels, give us a call, and we'll set up some time to help you out. Thanks so much.